QleanAir Scandinavia is a Swedish company that develops, designs, and sells solutions for clean air and controlled environments. Originating from Scandinavia, we know what clean air is. Being surrounded by one of the most pristine environments on Earth, we expect nothing less than to breathe the pure air that our nature provides. We have been in the air cleaning business for more than 20 years. Throughout this period, we have developed a superior technique for filtering air in extreme environments, ranging from clean rooms and infection wards to passive smoking protection and air contamination management in offices and industry. Clean air is the single smartest way to improve concentration and energy in staff, lower office cleaning costs, and protect sensitive computer equipment and data from particle buildups. QleanAir Scandinavia delivers cost-efficient premium solutions. Regardless of whether you're renting or buying, you're covered by our lifetime performance guarantee. This service ensures that the products deliver at constant performance every minute, every day, over time. QleanAir will help you assess your needs and customize a clear delivery, installation, performance, and service plan that works for you. Choosing a solution from QleanAir will give peace of mind to operate in the best environment possible. We believe better air is better for business by every measure and are passionate about clean air environments that protect and enhance the performance of people, products, and processes. QleanAir Scandinavia, for health and environment.